Welcome to this video. My name is Himanshu, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your digital product sales funnel. This is first part of the complete tutorial of digital product business. In this video we are going to get into how to find a digital product idea. So I have templates for you, the AI prompt and all this information together with me. We are going to get into the prompt and also the traditional way of finding a highly profitable business idea. Then in the next video we are gonna get into how do you even create your own product, okay? And then we are gonna get into setting up the funnel. I'm gonna give you the blueprint, and I'm actually gonna create a completely new sales funnel so you can exactly model what I'm doing. And then we are gonna drive traffic onto that funnel that I'll be creating, so you'll be able to see how it is going. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new updates. I have been in this space for more than 10 years at this moment, and one of the biggest lies that I have heard is it takes same amount of effort to sell a high ticket product and a low ticket product. The fact is, selling digital products is the easiest way to start making money online. Why? Because people don't mind spending $50, $60, $10, $20, these small amounts on something that can quickly solve their problem. So this is the important part here. You need to create a product that solves an important problem, an urgent problem. And that has to be something that you can solve by giving a product, right? This is the idea. You don't want to create a service here. So you are not telling that I will set up your website. You are saying that if you will buy this product, you can create your own website, or you can create your own better graphics if you will use my templates. So I'm going to get into the types of digital products you can sell in a moment, but you need to have this idea, okay, before we get into the really interesting stuff. Okay, now coming back to the first thing, what can be the digital product that you can sell? I have seen hundreds of digital products, and I believe that these three categories are the most popular ones and the easiest to sell. Number one is videos. So it can be online course or 1 hour workshop. Now you can also include meditation and audio programs in that category. The second option is you can offer templates. So you can actually go to canva.com and you can create graphics that other people can use. Now this one is very good if you are offering something to business owners. Okay, if that is your target audience. I'm actually going to show you the AI prompt that you can use that will create digital product ideas for you. So be with me for some moments. The third option that you have that is really working well is databases. A person I know is making over $500,000 every month by offering customized leads for a specific business category. He sells just one database, he updates it every month and makes $500,000 every year. Now, how we are going to do that? We are going to talk about it after this first section. In this one, I want to show you how do you discover an idea before we get into creating it, right? So I have created this Claude prompt. This you can also use with ChatGPT, but I would say Claude is working really well and I would recommend you to use that. I have put the link in the description for this Notion template that you can copy, you can use it. So what I want you to do is copy this and paste it on Claude. Okay, so this is I am dash. Now who am I? So let me write this: online business coach. I help course creators to sell digital products. Now this is my category. You can also change it and you can tweak it here and there. Now, if you want to add anything specific around the idea, you can also do that. Now, let's read this. I'm an online business coach and I help course creators to sell digital products with conscious sales methods. And I want to create micro niche digital products that are in high demand. Give me a table with 5 columns and 10 rows. Now, digital product type is template. I want to change it to database just for this example. Ability to create easy, medium. First column is product idea. You want to leave it as it is. Okay, and then we are gonna hit enter and let's see what it brings it. Course creator headline swipe file. Oof, This is good. Okay, this is really good. Email sequence template for course launches. Nice. Course pricing calculator. You see, video script template. Now look, I want you to take this prompt, use it, customize it for your business, and come up with product ideas. Okay, this is just first part of this entire program. We haven't even got into the real meat of this entire game, so you can see how fun this information is. So if you are still watching this, you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure to do that. This really helps me and I would really appreciate it. For this example, I have already selected my digital product that I'm going to sell, and that is a sales script. So over the years, one of the things that I have done is I have sold a lot of products online, and I have created a sales script that I use every time I go on a discovery call, one-to-one calls, and that can be a very powerful tool for coaches and creators that are my target audience. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to sell that script for this example. Okay, so we are gonna get into that in next video. For now, I want you to do something. Okay, I want you to take this prompt, come up with ideas, and let me know in the comment box what idea you are going to work with. Okay, this is the action module for you, and I'm gonna see you in the next part of it.